In this video, we will show you how to wrap text in Excel. You can see we have the text look like this and it breaks from this. We can wrap text to make this text looks good. How to do that? First, to wrap text, you can just click this wrap text icon in Excel. Okay. Then, because the wrap text is based on the column size, you can just make the column bigger like this. If you want makes the text is feel good, then just click this top align or adjust the line, and you can see our wrap text in Excel is make this paragraph looks better rather before. Okay, you can also wrap text by right clicking on the text and select format cells, and you can select alignment here and make sure to tick the wrap text and click OK. It is also the same. And that's all how you can wrap text in Excel. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.